Hello everyone, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be trying to kill the monster before he, Mr. Greenbean, can kill me. So there are a couple rules that go, like, first of all, no RPGs. Second of all,
Sadly.
yeah, I guess. I mean, for you, if you're trying to kill me. Second of all, it has to be a hostile monster that I'm trying to kill. So,
Can I use a pistol?
oh yeah, you can use pistols and stuff, yeah. You can use revolvers and shotguns. And golden revolvers. Can I have like a baseball bat if you have one of those?
You want a baseball bat? Oh yeah, I guess.
Yeah, I want a baseball bat. So I can kill the monster. I'd also like to take a blue bag if you have one of those. Can I have one? Oh, here, thank you. Thank you. Blue bag would be nice just in case the monster's not being useful. I can also kill you. So yeah, I mean, good luck. But I mean, I don't know if I want to try because you literally have a gun. You probably should bring a bag of ammo with you, just saying.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna do. I
Alright.
was gonna do that.
Since the monster in the thumbnail is a spider, I feel like I'm gonna go spider first. So there's gonna be 3 rounds, and since 3 is an odd number, one of us will end up winning by 2. Or maybe even 3. Why is my backpack like sideways on my screen? Is my backpack sideways on your screen?
No.
Yeah? Alright. Give me, since in the second video that we did a manhunt, obviously. Go check that video out, by the way. But basically, I gave you 13 seconds in total, so can I have 13 seconds?
Yeah.
Okay, count to 13. Alright, I'm going to go kill the spider. Alright, so he's counting to 13.
Where are you going first?
Mines. Probably should have not. I have no clue. Okay. Where's the spider? It's so dark.
I'm looking for you.
Totally not scared. Nah, I'm joking. Okay, I'm gonna go down to a lower level. And by lower, I mean lowest. I have no. Your spider is. I hate how these things sound.
Wait. Oh, there you are.
No.
Hello.
No. Heavens no. Dude, I could not find a single spider on my way, by the way. No. He's a golden revolver. No.
Why are you still next to me? That's kind of a dumb decision. Oh,
I have no clue where the exit is. I'm just gonna have to kill you. Somehow.
No. Hello there.
Whoa. Escape, exit, exit. Why did I choose spider?
To kill you.
No. No.
Makes you ugly.
No. You probably should have chosen a better weapon.
I don't know. I don't have a shotgun.
Ooh, that sucks to be you.
Neither do you. You're poor.
Well, I mean, I used to my old account. And I'm not really poor. Please. I need there to be a spider in here. Yes! Yes! I won the challenge. I won the first round. That was actually too close. Oh, here's another bullet for
You
you.
got lucky.
Here's more. Ooh, that was actually kind of close. All right, first point goes to me. But we need to actually head back. Let's just head just back down there. Quick. Because we can just mine one of those green things. And then we'll be back. Come down here. Bottom, you know, never mind. Yo, dang. Get mine already.
Where are you going to?
Back.
Where are you right now?
Spawn. Alright. Hello. Alright, so here's another thing for you. Okay, I'm going to this time hunt the angler. Give me 13 seconds, okay? Okay, start counting now. On the radio. Okay, luckily they removed the invisible wall. They patched it. So no more invisible wall for me to worry about. I almost died. I almost lost the point, bro. Yeah. If I die from anything even, then I lose the point. How are you already here?
Hello.
I chose another bad monster, probably. Maybe not. I won.
What?
I killed it.
Not very fair, I just died randomly.
Technically, we can still do one more round just to see if you get a single point at all. How'd I die? Whatever, I don't like it. I killed myself, so we can head back to spawn.
I just got that much to myself.
Alright, so head back to spawn. I don't know what we should do for the next round. You know what? For this last one, I'm going to do red light, green light. Alright, so for this last one, we're going to be doing red light, green light. So we're just going to go to sewer. Probably the best way to do it. Oh. Whee! Alright, so I'm waiting. Bro, hurry. Alright, hello. Can you buy me another blue bag? You know that like water spot in the wall that's glitched? You know that spot in the wall that has water behind it and it kills you when you touch it?
I think that's what I touched.
Yeah, I died from that. But I still killed the angler before I died from it, so I still won that round.
Oh.
I mean,
Hey,
technically you did this already. But, I mean, we'll just see what happens. Oh, I do need another bat. I do need another bat if you don't mind. So this is gonna be the last round. Why is it tilted? Alright, but this could be the last round. I'm gonna kill red light, green light. This one might be a bit tricky, but let's just hope it's not. Alright, thank you.
How would it be tricky? It's like the easiest thing.
Well, I mean, because I actually don't really know. Alright, give me... You know what this is? The last round? Start. Go. No, he's catching up. He's catching up. Oh no. Yes, he died from Sith.
I died again.
L. I just won.
I keep dying.
I almost gonna get flashbang. Okay. That's sad. For you. Alright, so we're gonna head back up. Don't drop that golden revolver. $20. Real life money.
I have it unlocked. I'm grabbing it.
Alright, but we're gonna head back to the mirror and then we're gonna end the video. By the way, I did get a comment from one of you guys to not use the AI thumbnails. But until I learn to use a better one, I will probably not use it. But that was the end of today's video. I hope you guys like and subscribe. This is pretty fun to make. I mean, I will come back to Downshot content again because I did do 2 videos in Downshot. But I will, trust me, go back to Downshot content. We will do both on the channel. Thank you for watching. I finally won a challenge. So I'll be watching this video a lot. But thank you guys. But that's really all for today's video. Peace.